Tomorrow, prosecutors and the attorney for a CMPD officer accused of killing an unarmed man will all be in court to talk about several motions.
The latest was just filed yesterday. It is a push to have the case tossed out on claims that key evidence was destroyed. Eyewitness News reporter Mark Becker broke those details last night at 5 o'clock. So, Mark, will that motion come up tomorrow?
Blair, we're told it may well not come up because it is in fact so fresh that prosecutors may not have had a chance yet to review and respond to it. But the attorney for the family of the man that Officer Randall Kerrick is charged with shooting has read it, and he told us it puts the focus on the wrong person.
So yes, I think on some level it is offensive, but it's not unexpected.
Chuck Monette was not at all surprised that in this latest motion, Kerrick's attorneys are trying to turn the focus on Jonathan Farrell. The state lab that tested Farrell's blood found no evidence of drugs or alcohol in his system, but Kerrick's attorneys now say they didn't get a chance to do their own tests on that blood, and they say in their motion that he may well have ingested illegal drugs, possibly marijuana and other substances, before his fatal confrontation with Officer Kerrick. Monette says absolutely not.
I don't think there'll be any evidence, competent evidence, introduced at the trial of this case that Jonathan Farrell was impaired.
But whether Farrell was impaired, violated their client's rights by destroying that blood evidence they'd agreed to hold on to. And that's enough, they argue, to have the charges dismissed.
Is there any chance this case would be dismissed?
There is a chance. The judge does have that authority.
But defense attorney and former prosecutor Rob Corbett says that's tough to do. Kerrick's attorneys would have to convince the judge investigators intentionally destroyed that evidence, and he says that's not likely.
I think they do have an uphill battle. It's not impossible for them to prevail or win on it, but I think it would be uphill.
The hearing's set to start tomorrow at 10. Even if they don't get to this motion, there are a dozen other motions that they can discuss. And Officer Kerrick, we're told, does not have to be and won't be here. Reporting live at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, Mark Becker, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Mark.